Welcome to the Redmi Note 13 Pro review. Who doesn't know Xiaomi's Redmi Note series? This series is known for offering excellent specifications at competitive prices. Specifications: screen, 67-inch AMOLED with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Processor: Snapdragon 7 seconds Gen 2. Memory or 12GB RAM. 128 or 256 GB storage capacity. Rear camera: main 200MP, ultra wide 8MP, macro 2MP. Front camera: 16MP. Battery: 5100 mAh with support for 67 fast charging. Operating system: Android 13 with MIUI 14 interface. Phone features: big, beautiful AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Snapdragon 7 seconds Gen 2 processor is powerful enough for gaming and multiple applications. 200MP main camera for high-quality photos. Large 5100 mAh battery lasts for a long time. 67 fast charging. Competitive price. Phone disadvantages: does not support wireless charging. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack. The quality of the cameras is not the best on the market. Conclusion: the Redmi Note 13 Pro is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a smartphone with powerful specifications at a reasonable price.